Too, so it's better on your batteries. So when you're not hitting the button, it cuts the power. It only uses power when you hit the button.
Dude, if this is a fish, it's a fish, dude. It's a fish.
Want the map?
Oh my God. It's right here. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're out here at Cheatham Lake. Got Dale with me. What's up, Dale?
Okay.
And see if we can get on some fish. Right on that one stick. There we go. There we go. Got a good one. Number 1 right here. Oh, he pulled off, dude. He pulled off. He pulled off. All right, guys. Let's see a bald eagle. He's right there. You see him? That white head. Wow, he's big. He's big, ain't he?
Yeah.
That's adult.
That's so cool.
And we're pretty close to him. He must be just warming up in the sun up there.
I ain't got enough fish in this claws.
I got some coffee in there if you want it. Hot cocoa. What are you, a damn skier? That sounds pretty good, actually. Coffee. Warm up my old bones. You know, even some soup or something, you know? Just something warm. Get your soccer ball. Soccer ball. You want a soccer ball? Oh, that sucked. This shit's so light. There we go. There we go. I got something. I don't know what it is, dude. It's freaking huge. Oh, good God. You see how big he is? This is only 6-pound line, too. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. We got a giant, guys. We got a giant. If I can land him, 6-pound line on here. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, dude. Dude, are you serious? Come on, he is such a fighter. We're out, dude. Here he comes. No, he's not. Here he comes. Oh, he goes straight back down. Yeah. Oh, gosh, he's big. Whoa, check that out. Wow. Hey, friend. I guess I can put my finger in your mouth, huh? Look at that. Hooked in the mouth. Hooked in the mouth. Wow. That's a pretty carp. Check them out, guys. Check them out, guys. Hey, how about that? First fish of the day. So pretty. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. So golden looking. The scales. Wow. It's amazing, dude. Thank you, friend. Let's let them back go. Thank you, buddy. Wow. He was slimy. smashed it. Bet you it was a gar. Yeah, I bet it was a bunch. I've seen about 4 or 5 gar right over here. Dude. I had one. I had a huge one. God. Look. I'm gonna catch one. I'm gonna catch one. Dude, I swear I'm gonna catch one. I'm gonna catch a gar. Just freaking giant. There he is. There he is. I'm gonna sit my drag. There he is. There he is. Giant. Dude, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Dale, I told you I was gonna catch one. Dude. Oh my God. Oh. Look at that, Dale. Oh. Oh my God, he's so awesome. That's awesome, dude. Oh. Oh my God, look how big. Look how big. Oh my God. Oh gosh, this is awesome. Wow. Look at that Jolly Rancher. Wow. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look how big. He's probably 2.5 foot, maybe like 30 inches. Look, he's got that crankbait right in his mouth. Wow, what a fish. What a fish, Dale. I knew there was some big gar in here. All right, Dale, get him off for me. Don't let him swift to get you. Here we go. Dale's doing it. Oh, I had him. I got him too, didn't I? Should I pick him up? Let me pick him up. I want to get a picture. Gotta get him right here. You gotta get him right there. And you gotta hold that tail. And that's how you hold him. Guys. Oh God, he's so strong. He is so strong. Check him out, dude. Woohoo! Undo him. Here we go. There we go. Golly Gene Giant. Golly! Woo!
Yeah, I don't know if that's, I think that's a long-nosed gar.
Yeah, that's a long nose. Endangered species. Did you know that?
What?
Yeah. You know it's illegal to keep gar?
Oh.
You immediately have to let them go. Crazy, amazing day.
I'd make you a good deal on it. It's brand new. It's only been used half a dozen times. It has that power saver too, so it's better on your batteries. So when you're not hitting the button, it cuts the power. It only uses power when you hit the button.
Dude, if this is a fish, it's a fish, dude. It's a fish.
Want the net?
Oh my God. It's right here. We got another giant. Oh God, it's fixing to take me overboard.
Is it a gar?
I don't know, I can't see it. I don't want to force him. He's doing what he wants to do. Oh gosh, we got a giant. We got a giant, dude. Oh my God, it's another gar. We caught another gar. Whoa! Look at this one. Rawr, rawr. He's ready to eat somebody. Look at that. Look at them teeth. Wow, check it out, guys. Whoa! Oh, that's awesome. Here we go. Garfest today, guys. Garfest.
You want to unhook them or get them in the boat?
Oh, I know, buddy. I know. Oh. Hold on, dude. I'll get you. Oh, I know you don't like that, do you? Oh, I got one hand on you. Oh, he's hooked. Hang on a second, hang on. Let me get his tail. That joker gets squirrely. Okay. Oh gosh, he's hooked really good. And we're floating down the river. Here we go, guys. Gar number 2. Check him out. Can y'all see it? Woo! Woo! I thought that was a smallmouth. I thought that was a giant smallmouth. Wow. Did y'all see that gar? That was amazing. It's amazing. Personal best for the channel gar. Times 2. Times 2. 2 big gar. Get up there. What is that?
An eel? Yeah,
What the heck is that?
an eel.
I caught an eel? Are you sure? That's one of them
Lampreys.
blood-sucking things.
Yeah.
And he's bleeding all over. That get on fish and stuff?
Yeah, lamprey. Or eel, whatever.
What the heck? Look at this, guys. Oh my God, look at his teeth. Oh my. Y'all got to see this. Y'all gonna trip out. Wow. How the heck did I catch this guy? Look at this. I can't get him. Look at his teeth. Do y'all see this? What in the crap is that? Oh my God. Dude, that is the craziest thing. Crazy. Guys, there's a bald eagle. Another one, look. Can y'all see him? Wow, it's a juvenile. It's a small one. That's 2 bald eagles. What? We're having a crazy day today. Hey, what was that? What did you think about that blood-sucking little varmint thing I caught? Never seen anything like it. Dale said it's called a what? A lamprey?
Lamprey.
Lamprey. Whatever that is, I ain't never seen nothing like that in my life out here catching fish.
Mouth looks like something off Alien.
It does. It look like some kind of alien movie stuff or something. I don't know. Give up. Hell yeah. Alright guys, hey, we are calling it a day. Simple fact is, we got skunked on bass. Didn't catch any bass. Come out here to catch a bass? No, we couldn't catch a bass. We need to stick a dynamite to catch a bass, didn't we? I tell you what, I still had fun catching gar. I know where the gar's sitting. I might come out here one day and just fish for the gar all day and just wear them out. That'd be pretty fun. But anyways, hey, we caught some weird fish. Caught an alien fish.
Seen a bald eagle?
Seen 2 bald eagles.
Yeah.
So I think it was alright. It's nice out. So y'all get out there and go fishing. Y'all have a good day.